Lloyd, a name that resonates with achieving excellence in whatever field we choose to pursue. Our students are groomed and their personalities are shaped in the same manner. We have a robust process of gauging, training, checking and evaluating the various aspects of a student's personality in terms of soft skills and traits required to be competent. In making them industry ready, I wish to transform each and every student's life for better by inculcating intrinsic changes and facilitating the transformation process by intermittent checkpoints. They say that if you love what you do, you never have to work for a day in your life. I say this very proudly that I love being a teacher and I've been in this profession for the last 12 years. As a teacher, I have to be a lifetime learner and I am committed to be so throughout my life so that I can teach my students about the latest advancements in this field. I was born and raised in a family of teachers right from my grandmother, mother and all aunts. Teaching is not just a profession where you are just earning money, you are building a nation. This thought motivated to me in this field. As well said by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge. And I truly believe in this and I'm living my life for this.